Here is how to find your watch later playlist on YouTube. Whether you're using a phone or a computer, go ahead and launch your YouTube application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and then press and hold onto the video or tap on its three dots. Then tap on Save to Watch Later option. Once it has been saved, go to tap on See List that appears in the bottom of the screen. You'll be taken to the Watch Later playlist. It will directly take you to the Watch Later playlist, or you can access your library. Tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and there you'll see the section of playlist. Go ahead and tap on View All. And in this playlist section, you'll see the section of Watch Later. You can go ahead and tap on it to view the videos that you've added in this playlist. This method works on both Apple and Android devices. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.